Hey everyone, hello. This is West Spring, and today I've been doing a video on how to get cheap car insurance quotes. Yeah, this will be actually my first insurance related videos. I don't usually do videos on insurance, but I was doing a personal read up on the website. Okay, yeah, on review journals. Yes, on review journal I came upon this like heart crushing topic on auto insurance be growing up in Nevada. And I know, yeah, it's nationwide. Yes, so I decided to to take a closer look, do some personal research, and see if I can come up with some tricks to lower car insurance premium and get a better quote. So today I'll be providing, at the end of this video, I'll be providing some tricks on how to lower your car insurance quote, and we'll just do a little bit on talks on why are insurance rates going up, what are the ways auto insurance companies use to calculate your rate, and also then the tips. So that just it. At the end of the video, I'll provide the bonus. Yes, provide the bonus, a link, a website that I personally use and I've suggested to some friends that actually help them to lower their car insurance quote. So let's get this started right now. So don't want to take much of our time. Understand? So let's take a look at these websites and see what we have here. Okay, so okay, this is yeah, okay, this is the website actually review journal what I was talking about. So like auto insurance be growing in Nevada amid robust economy. So no, just want to like add something on the mic. So now what has the question here is why are car insurance rates still going up? Yeah, why are car insurance rates still going up? Now, despite driving well, leading politely, obeying every stop signs, and racking no tickets or accidents, your auto insurance premium seems to have steadily risen in recent years. It's not just you though. Since about 2012, rates to insure vehicles have gone up in all states in the US and for all drivers, even including those with spotless driving records and no claim, and not by negligible amount. Since 2012, the Consumer Price Index (CPI) for auto insurance has gone up by 21.5%, compared with a rise in the overall Consumer Price Index of 4.5 over that same 5-year period. It's the largest 5-year growth of auto insurance costs since the early 90s, when costs grew by about 30% between 1989 and 1993. So the profit challenge. Now the insurers are not raising rates for the sake of just charging you more. There are rules against that actually. Instead, the driving force is in the upward march in premium in an auto insurance industry that has been finding it increasingly difficult to sustain profit margins. Of the top 5 insurers, only Geico and Progressive have managed to maintain profit, and the amount by which they are in the black have trended downward over the last 7 years. It's even worse for some other insurers like State Farm. The single largest auto insurer in the country has seen its revenue from premium rise by 26% since 2010, but also suffer a 35% increase in the cost of covering the cost of claim in the same time period. Yes, the cost of claim has been like lawsuit aggravated by healthcare rises. So those things just like make them all suffering like a loss right now. They are not making much profit despite your increased rate. So let's see some of the ways by which auto insurance company calculate your, calculate your the amount you pay, and also let's see that. Okay, yeah, at least from there we can get a little bit understanding of the whole processes. Okay, now this whole thing looks a bit, as the economy improves, more people are willing and able to spend on new cars, travel more. Economy picks up, more people are driving, gas prices goes up, insurance rate goes up. Now, Nevada has the 12th highest average premium in the nation. Now, accident nationwide, even in Nevada, has gone down, but the cost of an insurance claim has increased, mostly due to the cost of healthcare and the cost of lawsuits related to car crashes. Okay, so let's take a look at this infographic from Insurance Information Institute. Now, the average cost of car insurance in Nevada, yes, in 2011 you pay about $930 in a year. Now by 2014, which is one of the latest informational data we have, is about $969. That's a plus 3.6% increase. So you see, its rate is going up. This rate is going up, yes. So factors that insurance companies use to calculate new rates include claim history, driving records, vehicle report, zip code, the year the car was made, and its make and model, and also your age and your work profession, like your profession. Like sometimes we've seen that the what, like if you are a nurse, like, or a surgeon in a kind of professions, you don't your the rate you pay is really low, and if you move from a zip code to another zip code that is with a higher crime rate, like your whole insurance rate could just go up, like up to about $600. So that's it. So that's all. So let's now time for the tips, because no one want to pay. Everybody want to save money everyone want to save money in their budget and take something on. So now I will give you an insider tricks on how to use car insurance firm own tricks against them to lower your car insurance premium and get a cheaper quote. So let's go back to let's check this page and see about like some extra. This is about 7 tips here on how to like lower car insurance quotes. I have about like 2 extra secret tips I'll just add towards the end. I know that will just be all. So it's getting a bit long right now. I've not made like this long video like where I record my face, Okay, number 1 is take a defensive course. Yes, number 1 here we have take a defensive course. Now, one of the best way to get an insurance discount is to take a defensive driving course. You can just head down to a local motel or a conference center, sit with a group of drivers and take this course, or you can do it online too. If you don't want to really go out or something. Insurance companies, they'll give you a discount if they knew that you are taking the defensive driving course. You understand? Then number 2, use payment discount. Yes, most insurance company will provide you with a slight discount if you pay more than the minimum amount for your auto insurance. Understand? Like for example, if you are paying for an entire year in advance, you get like some savings. If you can also see a discount if you are paying for a 6-month policy. So then number three, ask about low mileage discount. You understand? Like if you don't, like you work at home, like you do short commute, like you don't go out often or you don't travel long distances, you are retired and you use the car for just occasional errands, you probably don't drive as much as your average drivers in your areas. So if you can just talk to your insurance company and see if you can get a discount for being a low mileage driver. Then number 4, if you're a student, yes. Now auto insurance company often they charge younger inexperienced like younger drivers the most. Like it's very expensive for them, but because they think they have lesser experience on the road. Now if you are a student with a good grade, like let's say you are a full-time high school or college student and you maintain like at least a B average, you can ask for, you can get, a good discount too. Then number five, okay, a group discount, number five, group discount. Like what I'm trying to say here is that sometimes being a member of a certain group, or working under a particular employer, can get you a discount. Being like a military discount, credit union membership, alumni association, and a sport club. Then number six, okay, number six, discount for multiple policy. Like you can get a discount if you like, if you have insurance for both your auto and your own, both business under one insurance company. You understand? Like you can get a discount for that, you know for multiple policies. Then seven, get several quotes. Yes, the best way to get the best way to get the most out of auto insurance discount is to obtain several car insurance quotes when you shop. That's for number seven. I have like two extra important secret tips for you here in my document. Save up here. Let's take a look at them just be quickly right now. Okay, yes. Use the right job. Use the right job. Use the right job. Use the right job title. Yes. Use the right job title. Yes. Like most people don't really like when they fill in the form applying for auto insurance, they just go straight away with the one that comes to mind, but you don't know there is a trick here. Like if you describe yourself, for example, as a chef, when filling your car insurance application, your average quote could be like 98 pound higher than if you just write you are a kitchen staff. You understand? If you say okay, you are a music teacher, you could pay like 86 pound more than teachers. If you say you are an office manager, you pay more than an office administrator. If you like a construction worker, you pay more than when you say you are a builder. Understand? In turn, if you say you are a bricklayer, you can pay lesser. So, and if you are a full-time parent or retired, just make absolutely sure like you check the right boss. Like I'm not unemployed, just check that you are a full-time parent or you are retired. Don't check unemployed because you could save up to about 300 pounds. Then the last but not the least trick here is that switch early. If you're looking around and you want to like change to a switch to a different car insurance company, you should do that at least between 3 weeks before your renewal date, rather than on the day. This could save you an average of about 280 pounds. Understand? So that's all I have for you. So you can just like replay this video to write down some of the tips, about 9 tips or so I share, so that you can use this together to like to gather up some good informations. Now I save a link as a bonus below this video in the description page, so you can use that link to, is like it gets a better car insurance code, like a better discount using that link. I've suggested that to a few of my friends personally, and they've used it, and like there's been a change, like a cheaper insurance code for them. Like so that's my bonus for you. Just use the link below in my description to get a better car insurance code. It's cheaper, like we low down to about some person getting very low amount of money of a rate instant. So that's my bonus for you right now. So you can save and like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye from West Spring. Thank you.